If you want to add new leads from your forms into your CRM automatically, you're in the right place. This quick 3-minute tutorial will show you how to set it up easily, so you never have to worry about manually entering leads again. I've tested the most popular CRM integrations out there, and today I'll be walking you through the best and simplest way to get this done. First things first, if you're using forms on your website or landing pages, they can generate leads in real time. But to make sure these leads are instantly sent to your CRM system, you need an integration. The good news is that most CRMs today support this kind of automation, which means once it's set up, you can sit back and let the system do all the heavy lifting. Now, let's talk about setting it up. You'll want to start by selecting your CRM and the form platform you're using. Our software supports both, so it's a seamless process. All you need to do is go into the integration settings of your CRM, find your form provider, and connect the two. If you're using a service like Google Forms, Typeform, or any other form builder, make sure that it offers integration with your CRM. Once you're in your CRM settings, look for the integrations or webhooks section. This is where the magic happens. You'll need to find the option to link the form fields with your CRM's contact fields. For example, you'll map your form fields like name, email, and phone number to the corresponding fields in your CRM. It's like telling the system, whenever someone fills out this form, make sure you add their details to my leads database automatically. But the automation doesn't stop there. To make sure you don't miss any important leads, consider setting up a trigger action. For example, every time a new lead is entered, your CRM can send an email, trigger a task, or even add the lead to a specific marketing automation workflow. The key here is making sure the information flows seamlessly. Check your CRM's workflow automation features and set up follow-up actions for your leads. That way, when your forms are submitted, your CRM will not only store the data, but also kick off any necessary actions, whether that's sending a welcome email or notifying a team member to follow up. Once everything's set up, test the integration by submitting a dummy form. This will ensure that your leads are being added properly and the automation is working as expected. You don't want to find out later that a technical hiccup stopped your new leads from getting into the system. And here's a little pro tip. Make sure your form is designed to capture all the information you need from your leads. The more detailed the form, the better your CRM can segment and nurture those leads automatically, saving you time and effort down the road. Key takeaway, setting up your CRM to automatically add new leads from forms is a game changer. It saves you time, reduces human error, and ensures no lead is left behind. Make sure you have the correct integration settings in place, map your form fields correctly, and set up automation triggers to follow up with your leads. Remember, you can follow along with the exact software we're using today, which comes with an exclusive free trial, available only to viewers of my channel. The link is in the description below, so be sure to check it out before you go. And that's it. You're now set up to automatically add new leads from your forms into your CRM. Thanks for watching.